pin badges.
Whoop, whoop.
Found us patron pins.
This is why Claude bothered to show up today.
It
Oh,
is.
don't
Here we
fall.
go. I'm
He's so
tearing.
excited he fell off.
I'm tearing. Shush. Right. You ready? I don't want to. It's windy, so I'm trying to put the rubbish in my pocket so it doesn't fly away. Sneaky peek. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Ooh, what have we got in here?
Postcards.
We got, oh, it's all about variations, because you can choose same design and do different variations on your existing. Oh, they do the same again. So create a rerun of products. They do woven patches. So I'm actually thinking we'll design woven patches as well. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh. Right. Da, 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 da. Gosh, my hands aren't working properly. Right. Oh, they're so cute. Look how cute.
Oh, yes, I could do some damage with that.
I can't even open it. There we go. Right. Okay. Ooh. So it feels nice. Oh, they're so cute. I didn't realise 2.5 was quite so tiny. Isn't that sweet? It says founding patron 2020, and it's so diddy, and it is hard. So
Yeah,
it's
it was
metal,
called soft enamel, so I wondered what that was.
but it's so cute, and it's got a little rubber pin on the back, so it's a rubber doobry.
Yay!
But I will take a really good picture of it. I'll take a picture of it and post it. So I have your badges,
Yay!
and I'll be able to put them in the post.
It's not too late to get yours.
No, that's it. Exactly. We've got another 90 to go.
Woohoo!
We'll get there.
Yep.
I'm feeling very happy now.
Nothing like an enamel badge to brighten up some hard times.